Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be trading out some of our electrical sockets and switches. Right now they're in almond color and we want them all to be white. And what we want to do is make sure that everything, all the plugs that we have are GFCI or GFI, ground fault circuit interrupters. They're installed. They're going to monitor the balance of electrical current moving between the circuits, and if there's anything that goes wrong or if moisture is introduced, it'll immediately cut off all electricity to the circuit. There is one outlet in here that isn't a GFCI, so we're going to replace that out and put one in. First things first, when dealing with electrical, we're going to shut off the power. Now the power's off and we are running our light with an extension cord to another room, but we're going to check everything. So we're going to use a tester to make sure we're not having any power in any of our outlets. So nothing, no power, and no power. So it's safe in here to start doing the electrical work. First up, we're going to swap out the switches. Taking care while we're removing it, ensuring we know where all the wires are, and we're going to be replacing it the same way we're taking it off. Starting off with our load wire going into the top, and then our black line wire, our hot wire, going into the bottom, and our ground screwing into the side. Before you do your final tight down, you want to make sure this all matches up, so you make sure everything's kind of loose in there. Put this in there, kind of wiggle it around until it fits and everything is flush. And take this off, do your final tight down. Now we're going to start replacing the GFCI outlets. And this is where we started making some mistakes. I was doing this and honestly believed that I could just do a complete switch out, having it being a mirrored image, and just take the wires out, move them apart, put it back together, and everything will work. Now it did light up green, everything appeared to be working, but in the end there was no power, and this is why. So to problem solve, I wanted to look at the outlet itself, and when I took it off the wall and looked at it compared to the old one, I noticed that the line, our hot wire coming in, was on the bottom for the old outlet and it's on the top for the new one. So we're going to do things the right way, and I'm going to show you a different process and make sure that we do this right and get it working. So the first thing we're going to do is take everything off the wall and test our wires to ensure which wires we have that are actually hot and where our actual live line wire is. The black line wire is going to get attached right here. Then we'll attach the rest of the wires and get it back up on the wall. Now I'll show you how to replace a regular outlet with a GFCI outlet. Now I got to remove all the wires. In this one, it's a solid wire that's kept stiff and straight, and it's just slid into these little holes on the back. What I'll be using is a small screwdriver to pop all of them out. Now that it's removed, to attach it to the GFCI outlet, I actually need to bend the wires so they'll be able to wrap around the bolts that are inside. Now the wires are all set and ready for installation. We have to test to find out which one of our wires is a live line wire. So we're going to turn the electricity back on, we're going to test it, shut the electricity back off, and then do our installation. And just like the other outlets that we installed, you're going to attach your live line wire directly to this area of the GFCI outlet, and then all of the corresponding wires. Once that's in, that's it. We got them all in. We've painted the walls in here so they're all white, so now our white outlets will match. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.